Buenos tardes, amigos. Welcome to Chappy's Tiki Bar. I'm Chappy. Make sure you stay to the end of this video. I'm reunited with my little Chihuahua Mookie. First up, we're going to make a cocktail. We're making an Amaretto Aloha. Very easy drink. I got my cocktail shaker here. And we'll go a little bit of ice. And for my Amaretto Aloha, of course, we're going to use a little bit of Amaretto. And we'll go about 1 1/2 ounce of Amaretto. And then 2 ounces of cranberry and 2 ounces of pineapple juice. Give that a little shake. And I just have a short glass today. A little bit of ice. Strain that on in. And that's an Amaretto Aloha cocktail. Coming up, we got Appies with Chappy by the lake. Aloha, welcome to Appies with Chappy by the lake. Today for our appetizer we got Jamaican jerk chicken fried dumplings, and we need a beverage to go with that. This one's sort of my own creation. I call it a raspberry pineapple sunset. Alright, so the raspberry component, I got some Chambord liqueur. It's a raspberry liqueur, and we're going to put that on the bottom, so hopefully that'll be the sunset. And I did a good 2 ounces. I like the raspberry, but if you prefer the pineapple over the raspberry, go easy on the Chambord. Alright, and then we're going to do 1 ounce of pineapple rum. A splash of fresh lime, or just a squeeze. And then I'm going to try to layer some pineapple juice on the top. Visually that turned out pretty good. So that is a raspberry pineapple sunset Chappy's Tiki Bar original to go with my Jamaican jerk fried dumplings. Thanks for watching another edition of Chappy's Tiki Bar. I'm Chappy, and this is Mookie. What's that, Mookie? Mookie says, life is hard, that's just the way it goes, but sometimes it goes the other way. See you next time on Chappy's Tiki Bar.